Good morning, everyone. I am Gabriele Coassin from Treviso, Italy. I became an apprentice photographer to support my studies, discovering the wonders of manual arts applied to intellectual creativity. And I was included in the first catalogue of the best Italian photographers at the age of 23. Graduate from the University of Architecture of Venice, I worked hard, published books, and had fun teaching at the universities of Pisa, Udine, and the Academy of Fine Arts of Venice. A nice period in which my self-esteem improved. For 35 years I was no longer a photographer, but I had my last exhibition in a Venetian villa in 2018. I bet with my students using a cheap camera, expired film and old photo paper. I'm now retired and I play with recovery and reinvention of the strange but creative ancient photographic techniques, with the pleasure of sharing them. Experimenting with techniques from the past makes me feel like a medieval alchemist. If we apply modern scientific skills to my collection of photographic stuff, we can obtain absolutely alternative artistic contaminations. From the experimental summer camp, I and my friends expect to be blessed with luck, become famous and recover, before we die, all the investments we have made in a life. That's all, folks.